If you drive an older truck, you know the pain of dealing with sticky locks or cheap keypads that fail after one season. This new keypad claims to bring modern reliability to your classic 2004 F-150 Heritage, but can it truly handle the daily grind? We are looking at the Sawyer Auto keyless entry keypad, which is boldly marketed as the mechanic's choice. That title sets a high expectation for quality, and thankfully, the product seems engineered to meet it. The first thing that stands out is the commitment to precision engineering. This isn't some generic part. It's built to meet strict industry standards using advanced manufacturing technology, which translates directly into consistent and dependable performance once it's installed. For anyone tackling this job at home, the installation process is often the biggest hurdle, but Sawyer Auto has focused heavily on making this painless. They promise an easy installation with a direct fit design, meaning absolutely no modifications are required. It's designed to fit exactly like the original component, and that hassle-free aspect alone is a huge win, especially when dealing with the sometimes finicky trim pieces of a 20-year-old truck. But quality isn't just about the fit, it's about longevity. The construction utilizes upgraded, long-lasting materials. Holding this unit, you can feel the difference. It doesn't have that brittle, flimsy plastic feel that plagues so many aftermarket keypads. This is crucial because this component lives outside, exposed to sun, rain, and temperature extremes. The manufacturer also emphasizes proven performance. Every single unit is thoroughly tested for durability, function, and reliability. Knowing that this keypad has been put through the paces gives you real confidence that the system won't fail when you need that keyless entry most, whether you're loading tools or just grabbing groceries. This single unit count is all you need to restore full, reliable keyless functionality to your F-150 Heritage. The Sawyer Auto keyless entry keypad delivers on its promises of precision fit and robust construction. It's a solid, reliable upgrade that genuinely feels like an OEM part, making it a highly recommended choice for the 2004 F-150 Heritage owner looking for dependable keyless access.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.